guys, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make this beautiful macrame earrings which are currently trending and are also very easy to make. So to make this earrings we need such hoop earrings. You can take any size whichever you love. We need fabric glue, scissor, and the important one is macrame. Now I have cut almost 8 to 9 inches of macrame pieces for this earrings already. I have 5 strings like this. So let's begin. Take the hoop earring and now take the macrame and fold it in half, and you have to just take this through the hoop earring, remove this through the hoop earring, and you have to just tie a knot like this. You can see here, this is how it should look. Doing same with the other 4. This should look like this, and yeah, our first step is ready. So after we are done with this, I'm going to use the sellotape to keep it stable and stick it like this. Now what we have to do is the first loop will go around like this. So for that, what you have to do is take this loop, take this thread, put around it like this and pull it through the loop like this. Tighten it. Repeat the step one more time. It will go around it, then pull it through the loop like this. You have to do it 2 times. Now take the another one. Again it will go around it and pull it through the loop. One more time. Now you have to do this 2 times with each thread. Like this. Same with the next thread around. Pull it through the loop. And here we are. Now here we have extra thread, so just cut it. Like this. Remove this. And use fabric glue and stick it like this, so that the threads won't come out. it dry for few minutes. After it's dried out, take the same length as of the first one. You have to just cut the extra parts.